Life is just like accounting. It must be balanced. Welcome back to another episode of Facultive Station, the home of the greatest finance and accounting content to keep you coming back for more. From the latest news in the finance world and reviews of the best software and programs to study tips and tricks, we have all you need to make the most out of your accounting journey. Get involved and join the community by subscribing to the channel so you never miss any of our latest uploads. Facultive Station is dedicated to bringing our viewers the best content surrounding finance and the accounting world. We aim to provide you with the most interesting, helpful, and no-nonsense information to keep you entertained and informed. Subscribe to the channel now so you're always up to date with our videos. And remember to check Facultive Station on our other platforms, such as Instagram and TikTok as well.